Any questions you can ask. Okay, 2 questions, sir. Two. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ. Tell me.
Sir, you have mentioned WTP, STP and other pointers in important. One point that is very important because Bangalore is growing rapidly, it's increasing, going towards Mysore and everywhere. Water problem is coming. When for apartments, rainwater harvesting should be must for every apartment, sir, because Bangalore rains can help us a lot.
We are on the job. I'll do it. I agree with your suggestions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, one question on, can you please enlighten us on SIR, please? This is a new thing going on in Bangalore, SIR.
I think, see,
No,
residents
are asking us,
though it is not, see, nodi, SIR, and right, it is SIR means it is a new,
Hello.
again they are reviewing your voter list. If you want your voter list to be correct, if you want your voter list to be named, when the form is given to you, when the enumeration form is given to you within 29th, you have to fill that voter list again. You should give your documentation and you should submit. If they will give you with your photograph also, you can add and you can give. There is an opportunity if a voter list has been left out also, after 5th with the documents again you can do. But don't lose that opportunity. See that your voter list is there. With the enumeration form, it is compulsory. Even DK Shivakumar also, if I see that I am the chief minister and my vote will be included, no. I also have to fill my voter list form. There are our political party leaders also to help you. You can download it also. Our officers compulsory 3 times they will come to your house. If your house is locked also, they will come 3 times and they will give you the form. You please take that. You don't, on the spot you don't give. You sit in your home, you collect it, then you can hand over to our BLA. That means booth level agent of any political party or any organization, and you can submit to the BLO. Apart from that, we don't want to create any confusion, but allow our BLOs to attend your office apartments. You can't bar anyone entering either the BLS or the BLOs.
Sir, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
here sir, 1 minute.
Sir,
1 minute sir.
ಸರ್ ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನವರು ನಾವು ಕೇರ್ಪುರದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನವರು ಕಟ್ಟೋವಾಗ 2007 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಲಿಂಕ್ವಿಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಬೇಕು ರೋಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು 10-15 ಜನ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಲಿಂಕ್ವಿಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು?
No, I have taken a call. All the roads have been the property of the government. That I have made a notification. Any road belonging, yalla kuda sarkaradu.
Thank you,
Now revenue other, it is nothing. You please write to us. If that is the case, we will notify and we will see that no one can block a road.
Police complaint ಕೊಡ್ರಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ FIR. ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು question.
ನೀವು ಕೊಡಿ.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Sir,
good afternoon, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನೀವು
ಗುಡ್
ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವರ್ಷಾ ಗೌಡ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಮೂಲತಃ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನೊಂದು ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓನರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವೆ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ STP ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರೈನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಫೈರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಸರ್ವೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಏನೇನು ವೈಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಯೂನಿಫೈಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ 2 years ಒನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ರೆನ್ಯೂವಲ್ಸ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಫೈರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, STP, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರೊಟೀನ್, ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Tushar.
thank you, sir.
Sir, only one small question, sir.
Krishna, I think she has a valid point. You please, we will look at it. I agree with you, madam. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you, madam.
Next.
Sir, only one small question, sir. Here,
I had a very basic question. Thanks for
sir,
the
only one
opportunity.
small question.
So, see, the problem with
Hello.
Bangalore.
Sir, I have a point, sir.
One ನಿಮಿಷ, ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ಲು. I just
So the problem with Bangalore
Don't
is
deviate others,
always
please. You have already
road
spoken.
work is going on. there is always so much of pollution.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬೊಬ್ಬೆ
One.
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ರು
The second thing you said is that, you have made, for the wires, you have made underground provisions. My question is, if there is a problem in future, again, they will dig that footpath, right? So that is a basic question I had. And the second is, there is too much traffic. What is the,
Mr. Krishna Barevoda will answer to all those things. Thank you. Yes.
Hello, sir.
On behalf of me, my minister, honorable minister, well experienced, we will be very close to your heart. He will always be with you. You should be with him. That's all.